If you have a dryer, you certainly have a lint trap, and of course it's important to keep this clean. Each time you use your dryer, you should take this out and clean it. The problem is, it is very difficult to get down inside here and clean. Now, of course, you can take your vacuum hose and some attachments, and sometimes you can get down there a little bit, but with this one, you see I cannot really get down there at all. I do have attachment that fits on here, but it still does not fit down inside this opening. So there is an answer for that. And that is this tool here. As simple as this thing is, this is going to be a world of difference for keeping the lint out of your dryer and keeping that ductwork as clean as possible. Now you can see with this here, this thing is thin like this, and it slides right down inside there, all the way down in, and we can use this to vacuum out all of the stuff, and that's what we'll do. Now this end here is rubbery, so we can stretch over multiple size vacuum hoses, so you'll be good to go. So you can see we got this hooked on. We're just going to go ahead and turn the vacuum on and clean it out. So it's probably going to be loud, but we'll see what we can get out of there. The only thing I don't like about it is this rubber hose is so flexible that it actually collapses here. So I might cut it down so it's not as long, so it doesn't have all this extra in here that can collapse. Other than that, this thing works great. You can get it down in there quite a ways. You can see if I put my finger right here and pull this out, you can see how far down I was able to get that in there, and it did suck some stuff out. I could see it come flying out through the hose. So this is very important to keep your dryer cleaned out as much as possible. There have been fires that are caused by dryers and lint buildup. So for a very relatively inexpensive tool, could make a world of difference in your drying time as well, because if you have clear airflow, it can get that humidity out of the clothes and out through the vent, and your dryer should work even more efficiently. So definitely this thing gets 2 thumbs up. These guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and test it out. I am very thrilled with it because I didn't have a way to get down in this dryer very easily. So I want to thank them for being willing to send this out to me so I could show you what it is and how it works, and hopefully this short video helps you out. But now, if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.